Hi, I'm Sam Banks, and this is my 112 term project video. So my term project is the game Super Hotline Miami 112. And it's kind of a top-down 2D action shooter arcade style game. So yeah, let's get right into it. So here's kind of the loading title screen menu. Click play. We can select a difficulty, easy, medium, hard, and custom. We'll get back to that later. So let's go for easy, just or medium maybe. And so this is the game. So this game is pretty simple. The main way you're trying to win, basically by killing all the enemies and not dying. Everything is a one-hit kill. So if you get hit once, you lose. One of the interesting things is that when you're not moving, time goes more slowly. So here, let me see if I can get a chance to show this. So when I stop moving, you see how the bullets go very slowly. So that's one of the interesting features of this game. Additionally, you'll see the enemies, when they can't see me, they're pathing towards me using Dijkstra's algorithm. So that's how they find me. Then once they can see me, they start shooting. There's also some basic collision detection going on, so I can't run into the terrain, things like that. The audio is simple, basically for bullet shots and collisions. However, when the game is running slowly, when you're standing still, the sound is modified. So you'll see now that we're going slow, when I fire, the sound is different from if I'm running and we're going fast. Sounds much more high pitched. See this mini map in the top right. You'll see there's a blue dot moving around to represent where the player is. And the rest is just the obstacles in the map. The final thing is that the levels are procedurally generated. So, if I die here, and I can pick the difficulty is basically based on the density of enemies and how likely you are to get better weapons. So I can do this, and here I get a machine gun, which maybe would have been less likely on a hard level. So on this title page, we also have a basic help menu for controls of the game and the basic mechanics. We have a stats menu, which just has some basic statistics about kind of like totals of every game you've played. And so these are stored in a JSON file, so it's persistent between plays of the game. And then finally, we have this editor. So the editor, if we open this up, we basically get to build our own level. So we can specify how big we want it to be. Let's say we want to just do a small one, 10 by 10. And so this is the level editor interface. So we can scroll around with WASD. And we can make a little level. So for instance, maybe I want to start the player all the way up in the corner. And there's a big wall down here. And then we'll have just, then we'll have an enemy waiting here with a shotgun. So that'll be fun. And if you are lost and you don't know what to do with this, you can click on this help menu. This tells you how to edit. We're happy with our level, we'll save it, and then exit. So now when we play, we can click custom, and we'll be in our level. So that's just about it. That was my term project video, and thanks for watching.